with the YZ. I paint with different colors and never in the lines. There isn't any other. I am the prototype.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We're gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine, and if you guys want to see how I do my everyday makeup, please stay tuned.
By the way guys, I'm filming this at 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. Oh my gosh! Hashtag dedicated. And I'm gonna be wearing lashes today because it's a Monday. I'm not trying to be that extra. But anyways, let's get started.
So the first thing we're gonna do is put moisturizer, and I put the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. It looks like this. I just dot that all over my face and then I go in the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. And then I'm going to blend it in with the Beauty Blender. Now in with my 203 Angled Brush by e.l.f. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. I'm just going to outline my eyebrow. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll conceal it and it will fix it. So for my concealer, I usually just use my foundation because on my everyday makeup routine, I don't like my eyebrows to pop out. I want it to blend in with my makeup. I don't want it standing out. Because if you conceal your eyebrows with concealer, it's just like this white, and I don't want it white. I want it same color as the rest of my face because I want to look more natural. So usually I use a flat eyeliner brush, but I broke it.
So, shit, whatever.
So we're going to use an angle brush. My Sephora brush and blend in that foundation. After that, I'm gonna conceal, and I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And then I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna set my face with my Air Spun Loose Face Powder, and I dump it into the lid and use my kabuki brush to spread that out on my face. So sometimes I wear eyelashes or I just wear mascara, and today I'm just be wearing mascara. I first curl my eyelashes. And then I go in with the L'Oreal Double Extend in the white end. And I go on my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Best Year Ever palette, and I'm going to go in with Chocolate Solo. For that, I'm going to be using my angled brush by the Lisa Frank collection. Now with the same palette, I'm going to go in with the highlighter named #Bless, and I'll put that in my inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to wet it with my Hydrating Primer Mist by Hard Candy. To finish the look, I'm going to set my face. I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. On top of that, I'm going to use my NYX Matte Finish Spray. I use two sprays because I have really oily skin and I want my skin to stay matte and oil free longer than it should be because my skin is so oily.
And it needs a lot of oil control help.
For my everyday lipstick, I did gloss.
Lip gloss makes everything popping.
Let me fix my hair real quick. So this is the final look. I got my hair done, sleeked back and everything, braided. This is how my everyday makeup routine is. It's just very basic, very
natural. It's not natural because there's a lot of makeup, but it's
more natural than like all the eyeshadow and everything, like the full glam, you know? But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget to also hit the notification to know about future videos. And thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.